Good morning students. Saira will continue with log on to MS Excel 2007. In the last session we have learned how to start MS Excel and how to perform a simple calculations plus minus multiplication and division. This session we are going to continue us calculations with the help of formulas, sum and percentage and average. Before that, let us know more. Merge and center button on the home tab lets you place the contents in the center of the cell across a number of columns. Right children, in the last class we have learned how to do the merge and center. By default, the text is aligned to the left and numbers are aligned to the right in a cell. Always the text is aligned to the left and numbers are right in a cell. Save your file using Ctrl S or you can click on Office button and click on Save. If suppose you want to create a shortcut in MS Excel, select the MS Excel option from the Start menu and drag it to the desktop. You can enter three types of data, that is text, formula and numbers. Okay. The tab scrolling buttons to the left of sheet tabs let you move through the tabs quickly. You can see tabs are there at different types of tab. There you can see the scrolling buttons are there. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 tabs. There you can see the scrolling tabs. Okay. Now what is a function? A function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. Excel includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find the sum, average, count, maximum value and minimum value for a range of cells. Worksheet formulas are built-in functions that are entered as part of a formula in a cell. Yes children, now we will learn with the help of this table how to find total and percentage. So simple data, you can see table, okay, with how many columns? You can see 15 datas and the roll number, name, English marks, maths marks, science marks. With the help of this table, we will calculate total. Okay, I have taken 3 subjects marks and the name and I have taken roll number. Okay, can you see the column there? A, B, C, D, E, F, this is column and the 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows. I think all of you know here, children, the here columns and rows are very important. Okay, now we will learn how to calculate a total with the help of sum function. Okay, so here the first of all we will start with equal to sign. Okay, so function is what? The predefined formula, right? So it will start with, formula will start with equal to sign. But before that we will add one more row. Okay, so that we can enter a heading. So insert and you can row, insert sheet and row in the cell tab, right? So here in the home tab, cell group, you can insert and I have written there mark sheet. Okay, so how to take the merge here? Again we will learn merge and center. Write the heading as mark sheet, the whatever you want to write. I have written mark sheet and select the columns. Okay, till F column, total is F, so till column now F, select it. Okay, select properly and in the home tab, alignment group, merge and center. Click on merge and center. Okay, now you can take the alignment up, down. Okay, you can take it and you can increase the size of the text. Okay, you can increase the size of the text with the help of font size. Okay children, now next here roll number's name. Now the formula will start here in the total column. Okay, we will write here. Okay, now can you see the school I have written, right? Just now we have learned the text should be aligned in which side? Yes, and the see now numbers right side, right? The numbers are always, by default it is right side, and the text are what? Left side. Yes children, now we will find out the total in the first method. Okay, equal to, then cell name, that is first here C3. The C is column and the 3 is row number and the plus, and again D3, that is again select, or you can write D3, and plus again, and E, the column is E, the first here roll number 1 data is in E column, and the roll number is, row number is 3, and press enter key. That is the first method. So the second method we will use now with the help of sum function. So again formula starts with equal to sign, okay, is equal to, okay, now we will see the data here, okay, and equal to, then sum, equal sign, sum, and again the same thing, which here the data is in where? C4. Can you see C column, and the data here row number is 4. So C4, take the cursor into C4 and drag it. Okay, C4 to E4. It is coming automatically, and press, close the bracket, or you can use tab key and press enter key. You will get the result in F, which call F4. Your result is where? 157, that is the result is F4. The same thing again, equal to, yes, sum, and C5 to E5. Okay, understood children? With the help of sum, how will you find out? Again take the cursor, select the data, and with the help of that plus sign just drag it. Yes children, hope so all of you understood. With the help of sum, how will you find out? Okay, now again one more way we will see. Again 34, 78 and 67 is equal to, that is now range C11, okay, C11 to E11, right? So again we will, yes, okay, here I am showing in a different way, otherwise you can do in the one cell, and with the help of mouse you can drag the formulas. So everywhere, okay, now see, you can see here I have not written a formula also, just with the help of auto sum. Can you see there? And the auto sum is there, and the, can you see here? In the editing group, you can see a auto sum. In the editing group, auto sum is there. With the help of auto sum, so just click there. So you will get a answer. Yes children. So here I think today you have learned the different, with the help of different ways you can calculate total, right? See there in the last column the 0, because the data is not there, but as soon as enter the data you can see the total, because we have copied the formula, right? We have dragged the formula, right? So now you have entered the data, automatically you can see the total, right children? Okay, now we will find out a percentage. How to find the percentage? Okay, all of you know how to find the percentage. In Excel again, equal to sign, the total. The total, where is the total? F3. The total is F3. The column is, the cell number is F3. And the how many number of subjects are, how many subjects here? 3 subjects, right? Out of 100, right? 3 subjects are there. So F3, okay, you can, all of you divide the sign, Yes, divide the side, divide here, and 300. Okay, so that is here number of subjects, and the percentage is all what into 100, right? So can you see the 71%? 71, can you see there? You just select it and you can drag it. So again you want to do it, just practice it first, practice, then you can drag it, right? So now again equal to sign and F4, the cell number is now F4, and divided by 300 into 100, right? You can see here 52.33, right? You can use a number there, okay? You can use the decimal point, you can increase, decrease the number you take, and the decimal number 2. You can see the percentage now 52.3. Okay, you can take the percentage also, but the number and use decimal point. So 52.33. Is it clear, children? Now select and drag the cell. Yes, children. Now let us see what we have learned in this chapter. Features of MS Excel. In that features, functions and formulas, formatting features, auto calculations, fast searching and instant replacing of data, entering data in series using autofill option. And how to start MS Excel? Start, all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel, and worksheet and workbook. The worksheets consist of 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 column. And cell, what is cell? A cell is an intersection of a column and rows in a worksheet. Each cell is denoted with a cell address. Yes, children. Next, we have learned active cell. When you click on cell, a thick black border differentiates it from the rest of the cell, that is known as active cell. It indicates the current cell is active, right? Yes, children. Now next, name box. Name box is located above the column heading on the left side of the window. This area displays the location of the cell pointer. Next, we have learned formula bar. The formula bar is located to the right of the name box. This bar shows the characters and formulas that you entered in an active cell. Now we have learned how to merge the cell, right? And merging cell, then performing calculations. We have learned with the help of 3 types we can use to calculate the sums, right? So first of all, cell number and the plus sign. The second method is equal to sum function, and the third method is using auto sum. Yes, children. So we will stop this session. Sai Ram.